Welcome or welcome back. It is, what day is this? Is this day 3? We closed on the house on Wednesday. We started cleaning on Thursday and then Friday. Then we had Saturday, only a couple hours here. Sunday, Monday, today's Tuesday. So is this day 5? Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Today's day 6. We've really only had 2 days to like really get in here and have a full day here though. All the other days have been just kind of half days, an hour here, another hour there, just because things have been crazy. And we did finally move all of our things from Joe and Marsha's house to here officially. So tonight will be our first night in the house. Projects for today are to sort through all of this stuff because this is our bed right here. The mattress is way back there. I don't know if you can see it up against the wall. So we have the mattress and then the box sprays and then the headboard and then that's the footboard thingy. We're going to be sleeping on the floor. So we do have to kind of sort through some of this stuff to make a room to be able to put the mattress in the floor so that we can sleep tonight. I think we're both kind of excited about sleeping for the first night in the house tonight. Kind of like having a little camping style sleep. Dave does have to work tomorrow, which is unfortunate, but that's the goal for today. If we don't do anything else, we need to do that. He's been working out in the garage. He did run to Lowe's with his dad. I'll give you a peek at the garage. It's kind of chaotic. There we go. There's the garage. He has already started taking down these cabinets over here. I think he's going to move some of the cabinets around. These are the cabinets that he took down. And then he's keeping all of these. I'm not completely totally sure what he's going to do with the rest. We'll figure that out later. But he's been working out here, as you can see. I know it's really bright out there. He's got all of his stuff, or our stuff, out there in the driveway. What I am working on right now is cleaning out these. I've already cleaned the tops. I'm cleaning the outside of the cabinets, the inside of the cabinets, and then I'm going to clean this sink, which I don't know if I've told you guys, but I'm really excited about having a utility sink in my laundry room. I've never had one. And I'm excited about having one. And I do have plans to do something kind of cutesy on the outside. But that is my goal right this second, is cleaning out these cabinets so that I can kind of go through my cleaning products and get some of that stuff, because I have stuff everywhere. I have cleaning products over here on this counter. I have cleaning products over here on this counter. So if I can get these cleaned out really quickly, I can kind of put some of that stuff up there. And I have decided what I'm going to do with this little closet is this is going to be my cleaning closet. I'm going to take all of these wire shelves out and it's going to become my little cleaning closet. I hope it's big enough. I might keep one of the shelves up, just maybe the top one, or maybe the top 2. And they did also go to Lowe's to get some lumber to fix this. So that is going to get fixed today, which is exciting. Carpet guy came this morning. He's going to give us a quote, hopefully this afternoon at the earliest, tomorrow at the latest. They do have to order the carpet. We are getting the same carpet that we got when we lived in Davenport on Plumoso, the house that we just moved from, if you're not familiar with that house. We love that carpet, number one. It matched everything. It still will match everything as far as our furniture. It will go really good with the floor that's already in this house. And we love the tile that's in this house. We don't mind the trash bags over there. We have stuff everywhere, as I've said before, but we absolutely love this tile. It is a tile that is made to look like hardwood, and whoever installed this tile did an excellent job. And I know that the carpeting that we're going to be getting will go with this perfectly. We just went ahead and went with what we know we like. So we knew we liked the carpet on Plumoso as well as the padding because we went with the middle of the road padding. We didn't get the cheapest or the most expensive. We went with middle of the road. We know we like that already. We know it will look good with everything already. So we just went with that. So we bought a new dryer and we're cleaning out the dryer vent. That's what we've got so far. Dave's going in the attic now because he went up. Now he's going in the attic to go down. Good afternoon. It's afternoon already. I did not open the camera back up and film last night because we were again exhausted. I'll take you out in the garage and show you everything that Dave did yesterday afternoon. We slept here for the first time last night. I do believe I told you guys that. This was our camping setup for last night. We have our mattress on the box springs and the floor. We left the plastic on it because we are going to have to move it again once the carpets get installed. We have a little light over there. We're living out of our suitcases still. And yeah, I have my first injury. I don't even know if you're going to be able to see it. No, if you can see that or not. I hit my head on the pantry, the top of the pantry. It hurt. As soon as I did it, I ran to the bathroom because I was for sure that I was going to have blood running down my face. But it's just really sore this morning. I don't think I showed you guys our new dryer. We did get a new dryer yesterday. I'm drying clothes as we speak. So this is our new dryer. Let me show you our old dryer. This is the old dryer. So yeah, it worked okay as far as we know. The lint, there's lint coming out of the sides here, so the inside is probably full of lint. The filter down here was definitely full of lint, and it's just seen better days. So Dave wanted to get a new dryer. Dave did not get to replacing the bottom of the sink. Still needs to be dealt with, and we are definitely going to be wearing masks when he does that because all that down there is black mold. We've been keeping the doors closed. I haven't really even been opening them. Honestly, the only times I've opened them is to show you. So yeah. Let me tell you, this morning I did not have any creamer for my coffee. My coffee maker's right there. And I did not have any creamer, so I drove down to the 7-Eleven. There's a 7-Eleven right around the corner from the house. They didn't have any creamer, but they did have coffee. So I got me some coffee, and I got a breakfast sandwich. Delicious. But getting there was glorious. I pulled out of the neighborhood. No cars, no traffic. You didn't feel like you were going to die pulling out into traffic on the main road. I only passed 2 cars on the way to 7-Eleven. I think I passed 1 car on the way back home. So glorious. And last night we slept so good. It was so peaceful. You cannot hear anything out here. The only thing we heard was our next door neighbor's dog bark once. And we heard the next door neighbor open the pool screen door and close it. Probably to let the dog back in the house. That's all we heard all night. It was glorious. And then this morning when we woke up, I didn't hear it, but Dave did. He heard some roosters. What did roosters do? Crow? Crowing? Screaming, yelling? Anyway. Very, very peaceful. I know we were gonna love it here. And I was thinking this morning, we loved our previous home. We poured a lot of time, energy, blood, sweat, and tears into that home. We never really felt comfortable there. We never really felt like it was meant to be, or I don't think that's the right way to put it, but we never really felt comfortable in our own home because you never knew what kind of neighbors you were getting beside of you with living between 2 short-term rentals. There were loud families beside of us more often than not. And the area with all of the traffic it would take hours to get just a few miles down the road. And we just were never really comfortable there. And we've only been in this house officially for one night, but we've owned this house officially since last Wednesday. And already this house feels right, like it was meant to be. Like we are going to finally feel comfortable in our own home in Florida. So anyway, I'm gonna get to cleaning and I will check back in with you guys later. Okay. So what I am doing now, and I do keep jumping around from project to project. That's just how I do things, because I did clean the pantry. The shelves are no longer sticky, but I'm just waiting for everything to dry before I put anything in there. This little closet in the laundry room, I'm gonna turn into my cleaning closet. I had a cleaning closet at the last house that was much larger, but this will work just fine. I'm gonna keep these two shelves up here. I may do something in the future to pretty them up, but I took all of these shelves down and I'm just taking the anchors and things out of the wall. Of course, I will probably patch those holes, paint this room, and put all my cleaning stuff in there, my vacuum, all that good stuff. I'm thinking about painting these cabinets like a dark green color, making this room almost like a woodland fairy type vibe. Definitely want to do a shelf here to set things on, kind of like we had in our other house. Little by little, bit by bit, I am getting things organized. And when I started packing up the house before we moved, I was on a mission to find boxes and packing paper without spending a ton of money. We ended up spending, oh God, probably over $300, maybe close to $400 on packing paper and boxes. But I resorted to wrapping up glass things in Christmas wrapping paper, and I said that when I unpacked, it would be fun because it would be like we're getting presents. Well, I am unpacking boxes and voila! Look what I got for Christmas. Lots of glasses. This whole box is full of glasses. Some updates. I have got these. I don't know if you guys use drawer liners. I have used drawer liners for years. I just feel like it keeps things neater, cleaner, and doesn't destroy your cabinets. It kind of protects your cabinets. I have drawer liners in all of the bottom areas. So I have drawer liners in all of this area, all of this area, all of this area, except for this. I'm gonna have to get kind of crafty with this and do a template, but I don't know where any of my paper is to be able to do a template, so I have to wait on that. I'm also getting the laundry room semi together. We did buy some new towels. I have them all washed and dried and ready. I'm organizing my cleaning closet. Of course, I am going to be coming in and filling all of these nail holes, probably painting in here, but we want to get all unpacked and kind of semi-organized before we start on projects. The battery is getting ready to die on this camera. I have not taken any footage of this camera. I've just been filming and filming and filming because honestly I don't know where half of my video equipment is. And the craft room is a disaster. Let me show you the craft room real quick. We have crap everywhere. Literally. Also, this floor, I have literally mopped this floor like 5 different times. The front porch is really dirty. We keep tracking dirt in here, and I mean, my feet, you can see how dirty they are. And that just gives me the heebie-jeebies, so I just keep mopping. But I'm not going to be able to get it clean until we can move all of this stuff out of the way. But this is the craft room. Just one big disaster area. So yeah, we are going to have to move all of this out into the living room, dining room before carpet goes in. But we are getting a handle on things. I've been able to unpack some of the kitchen boxes. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and end this video because the camera's getting ready to die. And I can plug the camera in and recharge it, but I don't want these videos to be 30 minutes long. So I'm going to end this here, and then we'll continue another one. Moving in and making it ours. So I hope you enjoyed all of the adventures of moving, and we will see you in the next one. All those YouTubey things. Bye.